We share your passion for our country and our flag. And to celebrate its glory, we've specially designed a brand new style of flag for you that will last a lifetime. Old Glory is now available in beautiful glossed enamel red, white, and blue, and cut from aircraft grade aluminum with laser guided precision from Go Big Logos. We start out in design where traditional flag artwork is digitized and loaded into a CAD program. We separate the colors into layers. Once completed, these will ultimately come back together in the three-dimensional flag. The design engineer utilizes stress analysis to locate the ideal placements for structural supports. The component programming is completed and transferred into a laser cutting program. A material handler brings sheets of military-grade aluminum across the factory floor to the digital CNC laser cutter. A laser operator loads the pre-engineered side program and the machine takes over. The 4,500-watt laser cutting torch is guided by the program to cut a precise pattern for every single layer required to make the finished flag. It even scores the exact spots where weld studs will later be inserted for all the layers. This includes cutouts for the perfectly balanced wall mounting of the flag. In just minutes, the laser completes the work and the beginning of the flag can be seen in the precision cut shapes. This automated sanding and finishing equipment draws the flat pieces of the flag in one side, and then the internal mechanisms buff down the parts and edges so that they're smooth to the touch when it comes out the other side. The flag pieces are now safe for handling with bare hands. Before anything else can be done, the flag pieces go to a computerized digital quality control station. The pieces are placed on a laser light table in any orientation, and the program instantly recognizes the part and double checks it within 1/100th of an inch for verification of the part's dimensions and precision to the design plan. Any deviation from that design at this point, and the flag parts will be rejected. Next, each layer moves to a laser-sighted weld stud installation station. The operator lines the laser to the center of the pre-scored post indicators, and a stud is permanently firmly spot welded to the flag's sheet metal body. This is what will provide the 3D layered effect in the finished product. Once the studs are in place, the logo travels from the metal shop to the paint shop on the other side of the factory. All of the components are placed by a worker into a treatment line for submersion in a chemical cleaning process. This series of baths cleans the surface of any contaminants to ensure smooth paint application later. From one bath to another, there is cleaning, rinsing, and then a microchemical etching that will ensure quality paint adhesion, and finally, a pre-coat finish to limit the possibility of rust or corrosion or oxidation developing underneath the paint. An inspector again checks the final surfaces for any imperfections, and the flag components are loaded onto an overhead assembly line of hooks for painting. Inside the painting station, a technician sprays each piece with a thin layer of the appropriate color, taking care to evenly coat the parts for a beautiful finish. Overspray is captured by a gigantic filter attached to an overhead vacuum system for ecological protection and human safety. Once completed, the freshly enameled logo continues into a flash oven to secure the paint before the final bake and cure process. The parts advance through each process on an automated conveyor line, whose speed is adjusted to each paint's coverage and cure requirements. It is carefully removed from the paint line, inspected once again, and carted to an assembly station for final assembly. Now in the final step, you can really see the benefit of the precision process of the digital cutting and post placement as the flag's layers are finally married together, utilizing the weld studs and quality mating nuts. Every post, hole, and nut line up perfectly for ease of assembly, and a high-end quality emerges. The technician checks his work, and your Go Big Logos flag is complete and ready to be packed in protective materials where it waits in the warehouse for your order. Surprisingly lightweight, you'll be proud to hang your Go Big Logos flag in any office, school, business, living area, or even outdoors to show your true colors and spirit. You can see the quality we bring to you with this, your Go Big Logo American flag, and guarantee your full satisfaction with every order. Go online now. We're making your Go Big Logo flag right now. Order. You'll be proud you did.